Hi all, unboxing something that I was waiting a long time. It was time to upgrade my camera, and look what I got. I got a mouse and this package, yeah, which is this camera that should be something very interesting because it has an autofocus, so I don't have to mess with trying to get the best focus all the time. And this is a HD camera with a very high quality, I hope so. It looks like it is, with a Type-C connection and HDMI output. It works on 12 volt and has two USB connections, and one of them is probably somehow for the computer and a mouse connection, and I don't know what other things, but I will have to find out. This is probably the transformer in order to get the 12 volts out. And here I think this is the lens that I ordered, and there are many type of lenses, and I thought that the best will be to take the wide angle because I want to see as much as possible in the same frame, and also to be able to magnify it. So this is WD-100. I think the WD is for wide, and it should be connected to this camera, and I'm very curious to see what is the results. And this is the first part. So the second was the nice mouse that I showed you. Optical mouse, nice. And what else I ordered is this LED light in order to get it to a perfect condition, which I can light and also get the intense of the light with this potentiometer. And I will set everything up and hopefully get a good result as I expect. Of course, I had also to order a stand, and I have a stand that was also ordered to this camera. I will assemble everything and then I will test it and show you the quality results of looking at the very tiny things through this camera that should be excellent. Thank you for now and bye.